Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to watch YouTube TV on your Amazon Fire Stick. Are you tired of cable but still want to catch your favorite shows and live sports? YouTube TV is a great alternative, offering a ton of channels without the hefty cable bill. But what if you want to watch it on your big screen using your trusty Fire Stick? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through a couple of easy methods to get YouTube TV up and running on your Fire Stick in no time. We'll cover both side-loading the app and using a workaround if the official app isn't available. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Okay, let's get started. Option 1. Side-loading, if YouTube TV app is not available in the App Store. First, we're going to try the direct approach. If you can find the YouTube TV app in the Amazon App Store on your Fire Stick, simply download and install it like any other app. However, sometimes it's not available directly. Don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll need to enable apps from unknown sources. To do this, go to your Fire Stick settings. It's usually the gear icon on the main menu. Next, navigate to My Fire TV or device, depending on your Fire Stick model. Then, select Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, you might need to enable them. To do this, go back to My Fire TV or device and select About. Then click on the Fire TV Stick option repeatedly, like 7 times, until you see a message saying, "You are now a developer." Now go back to Developer Options, and you should see it. Select Install Unknown Apps or Apps from Unknown Sources, and turn it on. This will allow you to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Now we need an app to sideload, so let's get Downloader. Go back to your Fire Stick's home screen and use the search bar to find Downloader. It's an orange icon with a downward arrow. Download and install it. Open the Downloader app. In the URL field, type in the link to download the YouTube TV APK file. I'll put a reliable link in the description below, so check that out. Make sure you type the link carefully. Once you've entered the link, click Go. Downloader will download the APK file. Once the download is complete, Downloader will prompt you to install the APK. Click Install. After the installation, you can click Open to launch YouTube TV. However, it's good practice to delete the APK file to save space. Downloader will usually ask you if you want to delete it. That's it. You should now be able to log in to your YouTube TV account and start watching. Option 2. Using the web browser. If sideloading isn't working for you, or you prefer not to install extra apps, you can access YouTube TV through a web browser. The Silk browser comes pre-installed on Fire Sticks.
Open the Silk browser.
In the address bar, type tv.youtube.com. This will take you to the YouTube TV website. You'll likely need to log in with your Google account. Once logged in, you can watch YouTube TV directly through the browser. It's not as streamlined as the native app, but it works in a pinch. Troubleshooting. Sometimes, you might encounter issues with either method. If the app is crashing or not working correctly, try clearing the cache and data for the YouTube TV app, if you sideloaded it, or the Silk browser. You can do this in the Fire Stick settings under Applications, and then manage installed applications. Also, make sure your Fire Stick is running the latest software. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, About, check for updates. And of course, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Conclusion. So there you have it. 2 easy ways to watch YouTube TV on your Amazon Fire Stick. Whether you sideload the app or use the web browser, you can enjoy your favorite live TV channels on your big screen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tutorials. Let us know in the comments below which method worked best for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.